We are joined by David Groner, elder law attorney with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic today. David, glad to see you again.
Yeah, it's good to be back.
We are once again talking about Medicaid and the 5-year look-back period. Now in Louisiana, obviously we know that look-back period is obviously 5 years. Is that different though in other states?
It can be. You see, so Medicaid is a federal program that's administered jointly with the states. So the states are allowed to set their own rules as to what the eligibility is and how that's going to be administered. In Louisiana, we have the 5-year look-back period. In California, 2.5 years. So it's much shorter, much more friendly to elderly people. In Florida, I believe it's shorter as well. So I guess the point I'm going to make is, if we really want to attract the elderly to come to Louisiana as a retirement place, which it should be, we have the food, the culture, the lifestyle. It'd be a great place to retire.
Right.
You know, why not make it more Medicaid friendly? And that way that when they come, they know that their estates can be administered in friendlier terms. But it is what it is.
Right.
And until those rules are changed, we're stuck with, and the other thing is this, the community spousal allowance. That's the money that Medicaid says your spouse is allowed to have at home to keep them from being impoverished while you're in the other person is in the nursing home. Well, in Louisiana, it's one amount. In California, it's a much higher amount. So these are the types of rules that are not uniform throughout the country. And that's why we have to keep up with Louisiana, what's going on here. Yeah. But I do like to compare it with other states just to try to encourage my legislators, my governor, to please consider making it more friendly for the elderly to move here.
Yeah. And given our circumstances, you know, there might not be much we can do right now. So given that we do have that 5-year look back period and that certain amount of spousal resource allowance, what can we do in the future to prepare for this?
Obviously, the future means prepare now.
Yeah.
That's the best advice I can give. Since it is a 5-year look-back period, the sooner that you can meet with an elder law attorney and sit down and discuss your estate planning as you get older, you need to do so. I get so many clients that call me, they're in their 80s. And, you know, yes, we want to help them, and yes, we can do a trust if they're in good health and they have clarity of mind, but they're pushing the envelope, you know, as we get in that age group. Because really the statistics show after the age 65, there's a 70% chance that you're going to need skilled care nursing in the future. So why not get started at age 60, 65, get it done, and then you'll have peace of mind the rest of your life that it's all taken care of, and nothing bad's going to happen to what you've worked hard for or what you've possibly inherited from your parents.
So the sooner the better, that is what you always tell us.
That's what I say.
David Groner, again, elder law attorney with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. Visit their Facebook page or website to see where David's upcoming workshops are, or you can go ahead and get the ball rolling and call to make your appointment today at the number on the bottom of your screen.